Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome to our in-depth look at the beauty of HUAWEI Matepad. Today, we will be exploring the stunning features and key selling points of the HUAWEI Matepad Pro 13.2 and the Matepad 11.5s Paper Matte Edition. These devices blend premium design, high-tech innovation, and fashion-forward aesthetics to deliver an unmatched tablet experience. Let's get started. Introducing the HUAWEI Matepad Pro 13.2, a masterpiece of modern engineering that combines cutting-edge performance with an ultra-premium design. At just 5.5mm at its thinnest point and weighing only 580 grams, this device is incredibly sleek and lightweight, making it as delightful to hold as it is to admire. Crafted with top-tier materials, the Matepad Pro 13.2 exudes elegance, ensuring it stands out in both functionality and style. This stunning 13.2-inch flexible OLED vast screen is a true masterpiece, designed to captivate with its expansive 94% screen-to-body ratio and versatile 3x2 productivity aspect ratio. The all-new HUAWEI X True Display technology amplifies brightness and contrast, turning every movie scene into a breathtaking visual and auditory experience. Enjoy a clearer, eye-friendly display with glare-resistant features, including Magnetron Nano Optics coating, which has earned TUV Rainland's Full Care Display 3.0 certification. The natural light-sensing display ensures sharp contrast and clarity in varying lighting conditions. Powered by the Kirin 9000E processor, the Matepad Pro 13.2 delivers exceptional performance for both productivity and entertainment. Its robust multitasking capabilities allow you to run multiple apps seamlessly. Also, thanks to HUAWEI M Pencil 3rd generation, a groundbreaking tablet stylus, being the first to offer over 10,000 plus pressure sensitivity levels. This innovation provides an unprecedented level of touch responsiveness, far exceeding expectations. Enhanced by Neuralink short-hold wireless technology, the stylus delivers a stronger signal with minimal latency and interference, ensuring a seamless and precise user experience. The innovative detachable keyboard offers 3 versatile configurations, transforming your device into a laptop with ease. You can adjust the angle to suit your needs, or detach the keyboard to prop up the tablet, providing the perfect setup for viewing, sketching, or working in any environments. The 88 watts HUAWEI Supercharged Turbo Mode, the most powerful fast charging solution for tablets, powers the battery up to 85% in just 40 minutes and fully charge it in 65 minutes. Paired with a robust 10,100 mAh battery, you'll really find yourself needing to recharge. Next, we have the HUAWEI Matepad 11.5s Paper Matte Edition. This device stands out with its unique paper matte display, which reduces glare and mimics the texture of real paper. It's perfect for reading, drawing, and note-taking, offering a comfortable and eye-friendly experience. The Matepad 11.5s is designed for versatility. Its powerful Kirin 9000 series processor ensures smooth performance across various tasks. With Wi-Fi 6 and Neuralink technology, staying connected is a breeze. The tablet also supports a wide range of accessories, including the smart keyboard and a 3rd generation M Pencil, making it a versatile tool for both work and play. HUAWEI has always been at the forefront of combining technology with style, and these Matepads are no exception. Both the Matepad Pro 13.2 and the Matepad 11.5s Paper Matte Edition feature a sleek, minimalist design that complement any setting. Their premium finishes and attention to detail make them not just gadget, but fashion statements. The HUAWEI Matepad Pro 13.2 and the Matepad 11.5s Paper Matte Edition are perfect example of how beauty and functionality can coexist. Whether you're looking for high performance, innovative features, or a device that complements your style, these Matepads have it all. Experience the beauty of the HUAWEI Matepad today. Elevate your digital life with these extraordinary tablets. Thanks for watching.